think the biggest benefit to using Duke Energy One on these resiliency as a service projects that we hear is the capital outlay that they don't have to include. They get to maintain control of their capital for other revenue generating opportunities, whether it be upgrades to their facility, new machines coming in. This allows the people within their plant to focus on those versus trying to maintain non-core assets outside of their building that's feeding their process. Companies um, are less and less having the people in-house to be able to manage these assets, and it's being more and more difficult to find those people out on the market to hire specifically to manage this type of equipment. The biggest risk that I see with companies managing energy projects in-house is time being pulled away from core activities within their facility.